Welcome to my YouTube channel, MiaoMiao's Kitchen. If you've ever wanted to learn how to make delicious and authentic Chinese dishes in the comfort of your own kitchen, you've come to the right place. China is a vast country with abundant resources, and it has a rich food culture that can be broadly classified into 8 major cuisines. They are Shandong cuisines, which emphasizes the use of high-quality ingredients. It enhances flavors with salt and rich broths, aiming for a savory and pure taste that highlights the natural essence of the ingredients. Sichuan cuisine is known for its diverse flavors and a wide variety of dishes. It emphasizes a balance between freshness and richness, particularly emphasizing the skillful use of spicy and numbing seasonings. In Cantonese cuisine, the ingredients selected for the dishes are carefully chosen, resulting in a cuisine that is light yet flavorful, fresh yet not ordinary, tender without being undercooked, and oily without being greasy. There are also Anhui cuisine, Fujian cuisine, Hunan cuisine, Jiangsu cuisine, and Zhejiang cuisine. My channel is dedicated to teaching you how to make easy and flavorful Chinese home-style dishes. I believe that anyone can master Chinese cooking, regardless of their level of experience. From classic stir-fries and comforting noodle dishes to delectable dumplings and aromatic soups. In my videos, I will cover a wide range of recipes that are loved by Chinese families around the globe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Get ready to embark on a delicious journey with Chinese home cooking made easy.